Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find and access hidden apps in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to find or open your hidden apps, so let's see how can you do that. So you have two different ways. The very first way, if you have hidden any app from your home screen, you just have to simply go to your settings and here just go to apps section. Now in apps, you have to look for that specific app. Let's say I have written Chrome from my home screen. I'm going to access that in my app section. Now once you are in app info of your specific app, you just have to click on this open icon and your app will be open. Now the second way is that you have to simply open your Google Play Store. So let's say I'm going to open my Play Store here. Now here you have to search for that specific app. So let's say I'm going to search for Chrome here. Now, once you find, you must see the open option here. You just have to click on open and your app will be open. Or the third way, you can unhide it in that specific app. So I'm going to open my settings to unhide my apps. Just go to home screen and scroll down. Look for hide apps on home screen. Click on it. And here you will see all the hidden apps. You just have to click on this minus icon over here. Just click on that icon and your app will and now click on this done and you have successfully unhide all your hidden apps. So in this way, you can easily find and access your hidden app in your Samsung Galaxy S26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.